Hey guys, I'm Krista. I work here at Timbecon, and today I'm going to show you how to put back together a drawer from a wardrobe that I found on the side of the road. I love DIY and freebies are my favourite, so this was a freebie and I'm going to fix it up and make it like new again. As you can see, I've pulled it all apart and I've taken all the tacks out of the sides. So now we're gonna get it prepped to put it together. I'm gonna drill some holes in it and we're gonna screw it together and glue it because the tacks that they'd used previously obviously didn't hold it. It had fallen apart, so we're gonna fix it better. I've managed to get the drawer back together. It is a little different to what I've worked with before, but I'm very glad we've got these clamps here. These are what I have been working with, and clearly they're not going to be anywhere near big enough. The super benefit of these was that I can join the two big ones together and end up with a super big clamp for drawers. So I've pre-drilled the pilot holes. I'm going to pull it back apart again and glue it, and then we'll put it back together and with some screws. I've got the drawer all screwed and clamped and glued. I have to say, in the past I have used a multitude of different types of clamps. None of them very high quality, but in comparison to these, they are nothing. These are absolutely fabulous. I've found that the fact that I can join them together and make a clamp that's wide enough to do a drawer or a chair or anything that's a little bit bigger than what you'd normally do, it's really handy. The easy release functions are great on them. They're not super heavy. All of the functions on them are easy to use. You can easily undo them. You can easily put them all back together. The fact that you can use them in different ways, put together in different ways, is fabulous as well. You can also use them as spreaders. You just take this off and you attach it on the other end. And there you have it. You have your beautiful spreader. It's got a nice width to it. Without these, I definitely would not have been able to get this back together as well as I have. I definitely do not have a clamp long enough to fit the drawer, so these are just a brilliant idea of joining them together and making life a whole lot easier. I found that the design of this drawer is a little unusual compared to what I'm used to working with, and they've actually attached the front part of the base with tacks from the front, and I don't really like that. It's not going to be very supportive, so I've cut a piece of timber to size to fit in there. I'm going to attach that on the inside of the drawer and give me something to screw the base up into. There we have it. The drawer is back together. As good as it can be. It's obviously not perfect. No recycling job is perfect. We've got this support here that will absolutely help hold the weight of anything I put in the drawers. The only thing I haven't done is put the front board back on. I'm going to do that at home so I can measure it off the bottom of the wardrobe. Throughout this whole process, you will notice that I've been using the Pony Jorgensen EZ-HOLD clamps. Without these, this job would have taken me at least a week, probably, with the tools that I had. These made it so much easier, the versatility, the fact that I could join them, make a clamp for something so much bigger than, you know, normal. Definitely worth investing in. For more information, check the links below. Don't forget to like and share and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.